Welcome to Concens. My name is Peter Jorgensen. I would like to talk to you about our C2-10 controller. It's a small circuit board, and you can see very clearly that one of the main differences from our other controllers is that here you have connectors. And so it's possible to install this controller by using only connectors, and of course you also have available the screw terminals that we normally always have. To explain more about all the data in this C2-10 controller, we have made a data sheet here, a 4-page data sheet, and here you can see we have adjustable soft start, we have adjustable soft stop, we have adjustable current limit, and the current limit is in 2 modes, and these modes are selected by moving a jumper on the circuit board. And one range is from 0 to 6 amps, and another range is from 4 to 16 amps. That means you can control and use this controller both on 24 and 12 volt applications. It can be working from 10 to 35 volt. It can be controlling 10 amps continuously and 16 amps with a 50% duty cycle. And the operating temperature range is -20 to +70 degrees. On page 2, we have here the connectors. We have a 2-wire connector, Molex connector, that is the power supply from your power. And then we have 2 6-wire connectors, and they have the same wiring, so you can install your controller or your actuator in either of these 2 connectors. And here you have the pin layout of the connectors. If you want to use the screw terminals, then you have an explanation about the screw terminals over here. One very nice feature we have here is a fault in-out terminal. That means that if you have a problem with the actuator or the controller, the fault signal will go out and can be seen by your computer or PLC, and it can also be seen, if you want, from other controllers who are in the same family, and they will also stop immediately if one of the controllers who are connected together gets a problem. On page 3, we have an explanation about how the 3 potentiometers are adjusted. And number 1 is the start ramp, and you can select between 0 and 2.5 seconds. And the stop ramp is the same, 0 to 2.5 seconds. And then the current potentiometer. The current setting is from 0 to 6 amps or from 4 up to 16 amps. When you get the controller delivered, you can see here how the potentiometers are set from the factory. Underneath you have a timing diagram where you can see how the controller is moving the actuator. On the last page you can see the different ways we supply this product. You can get it as a bare board, you can get it in a DIN rail. If you use the screw terminals, you get it in a small membrane box, and if you want to use a membrane box with the connectors, then you need a little more space inside, so then we have another membrane box for that. So these are the 4 ways we supply this product. I will now demonstrate how easy it is to install this product. I have here a power supply with the 2-wire connector. I take a standard push button hand control. It can be any kind of control. Just you make a connection, and this connection is only 0.5 milliamp, so you can use any quality of push buttons, or you can use a computerized controller, PLC, or any kind of automatic system. And I take here an actuator and install it also. I have put on a little soft start and soft stop, so you can hear that it's moving quite smoothly. So the acceleration and deceleration is soft. If I take away the soft start and move the 2 potentiometers to 0 seconds, then you will hear a big difference. So now the actuator is moving very abrupt. So most customers will like to have a more smooth movement, but both are available and can be adjusted on the controller with the potentiometers. We have here also an example how it will look when you install the actuator. We have here an application where you have 3 controllers in a box, and you can see we have not used any of the screw terminals, so this is a very quick installation to be done. And also you can imagine that it's very quick to exchange the controller if you need, or the actuator if you need to do that at a later stage. And here we have the wires for the power. Our datasheet on the product is available to download from our homepage, so just go to concens.com and look under downloads. There you will find, on our products, there you will find a copy of this datasheet. I wish you good luck with the C2-10 controller from Concens.